Today we are going to talk about iterator in Java. Iterator in Java. What is iterator in Java? It is one of the Java cursor. Iterator is one of the Java cursor. It is an interface. It is an interface used to practice over collection framework in Java. It is an interface used to practice over collection framework in Java. It is one of the Java cursor. It is an interface used to practice collection framework in Java. Iterator is also used to traverse each and every element in the collection. Iterator is used to traverse each and every element in the collection. Mostly when we are using the array list, we are using iterator to traverse each and every element. So array list iterator itr is an variable, iterator is an interface, itr is an variable, list interface, list dot iterator. So this is the formula. Iterator itr equal to list is an interface, list dot iterator. Okay, mostly this is present in java.util package. Now we are going to practice one example based on iterator. Now I will create one package name iterator example. In this I will create one Java class name array list example. Now we don't need these comments. Now I will, this is an array list example class I have created array list example. In this first I will take one main method public static void main, control shift enter. In this first I will mention array list object, array list. Inside this I will take the value based on strings, variable list equal to new array list string method complete. So this is present in java.util package. The array list is present in java.util package. Now I will take some values in the list. This is the variable. In this I am going to add some variable add inside string mango, list dot add apple, list dot add grapes, list dot add banana. Now first I will print these sys system.out.println list. Now I will get the output of these in the array format, mango, apple, grapes, banana. But when I use iterator for traversing traversing list through iterator. This is the comment. First I will create iterator object. Iterator itr equal to new list dot iterator. This is iterator. Import java dot util dot iterator object package. Okay, now while this is an variable name dot next element next. Now I will create one system dot out dot println. Itr dot has next. Iterator has elements, right? Okay. System dot out dot println itr. itr dot next. Now I will remove this one. First I will make comment on this. Now I will run the example. Okay, mango, apple, grapes, banana. So the example using iterator itr equal to list dot iterator. So this is for traversing the list through iterator. Okay, I will explain again. Iterator is one of the Java cursor. It is an interface used to practice over collection framework in Java. Iterator is used to traverse each and every element in the collection. Iterator is used to traverse each and every element in the collection framework. Okay, framework. So this is the formula. We can say iterator itr equal to list is an interface. Also iterator is an also interface. List dot iterator present in java dot util dot iterator package. Iterator package. Import java dot util dot array list. I have created array list here. These are the string values. Added the elements. I will create